We've talked about since the beginning of the week the possibility of strong and severe thunderstorms today and also going into tomorrow as well. And yesterday we were detailing how it was going to be that southern flank of the cluster where the severe weather possibility was going to be, and that's what's coming to pass. Now, severe thunderstorm watch does run from I-64 all the way down toward the Tennessee line and then along I-75 and especially back to the west. We got two severe thunderstorm warnings. The severe thunderstorm warning here, that should actually say warning, is for Lincoln County, and that's going to be in effect until 6:30 south of Stanford. So it's Ottenheim, Kings Mountain, Crab Orchard. Those are the places most likely to be impacted. We also have a second severe thunderstorm warning. This one for eastern Taylor and the northern part now of Casey County. That one does include Liberty. That's going to be in effect until 6:45. So there again, you see the watch underneath here. On the Max Track here, you've got a line of storms that runs from near Moorhead, but it becomes more focused, say, around Campton, then to the cluster there going through Rockcastle County, Lincoln County, Taylor County. We've got more rain back here through most of central Kentucky. None of that is anywhere close to severe at this point, but where we do have the severe storms, you've got the one coming now out of eastern Taylor County. This one is just to the west of Liberty. So that storm again has the potential for a damaging wind gust. But look at the lightning display with that storm that's now passed through Houstonville, south of Crab Orchard and Stanford, southern part there of Lincoln County. For you folks, say around Kings Mountain, back to Walltown, Yosemite, you are getting in on this storm, just going through Yosemite, likely just south of Highland. For you folks in Eubank, you're not under the warning yet, but you're awfully doggone close. So again, expect to see that rain really picking up for you. In addition to the intense lightning, the possibility of a damaging wind gust exists as well. From Mount Vernon to Pine Hill, up to Goochland there, getting toward Jackson County and Sand Gap. That's a heavy rainmaker at this point. Could be a little pea-sized hail with that storm. Then lighter rain continues back towards Stanton, but we have more rain Lexington, Nicholasville down to Harrodsburg, then Frankfort all the way back to Bardstown up towards Cynthiana, Paris, and Carlisle. Again, none of that is severe, but there is some lightning involved with that. So again, you're watching these lightning displays out there, and again, it has been formidable from some of these storms. 8 o'clock, that threat will be continuing, but at the later into the evening we go, we're going to start to see that threat diminish some. And then overnight tonight, a little bit of a lull, and then more storms will be arriving in the pre-dawn around Lake Cumberland. So you folks may get awakened by those rumbles of thunder tomorrow morning, but areas to the north, maybe not quite so much. So on the Max Track, we do have the strong storms. We have them tonight. We'll also get them again tomorrow, and maybe more tomorrow evening. A two-day blast day heat's coming. We could set some records. Then a cold front arrives with more storms for the second half of your weekend. Slight risk of severe storms today, and that does include most of central Kentucky all the way down to the Tennessee line, where a damaging wind gust remains the primary severe weather threat. We've already had reports of some wind damage out of Marion County. Can't rule out a tornadic storm, but that threat really, I think, more across the south, where we're looking at the best energy available, although the storms are beginning to outrun some of that good energy. The high shear storm potential, again, mostly across the south for the next several hours, and then we'll see that rebirth of the storms then tomorrow morning. Hail risk cannot be ruled out from any of these storms either. In fact, we'll take you through our hail potential on these. With that, you are looking at mostly quarter size and small. It needs to be quarter size for the storm to be considered severe. So there's 10 o'clock, and again, coverage of those storms will be around, but again, more sporadic at the further into the night we go. Okay, so this all started early this morning as what we call an MCV. You can go ahead and remember those initials. Mesoscale convective vortex. You can see the spin there, the counterclockwise rotation. Well, that provides the shear. Then it runs into the fuel that's been going on across southern and southwestern Kentucky, and that develops the storms on that southern flank that we were talking about yesterday. We continue to 8 and 9 o'clock, more showers and storms, and you see how they become more oriented to the flow here? Well, that means heavy rain potential is going to exist as well from some of these storms. For tonight, we've got rain and thunderstorms likely, some strong, potentially severe. Locally heavy rain's a possibility. We'll stay in the mid-60s. Tomorrow becoming partly sunny, but scattered thunderstorms. Some of those could be strong, especially tomorrow evening. Low 80s tomorrow, then near 90 on Friday. The record is 91. Thunderstorms late in the day, Saturday night, going on into the day on Sunday as we do turn cooler.